When the whistle blows, this signifies the end of a competition, but also the starting point for post-competition rehabilitation and recovery. Many sports athletes fight alone due to lack of resources. Current sponsors mainly focus on financial support. However, what athletes need is not only financial support, but a solid and reliable backup to get them through tough battles on the field. Chang Memorial Hospital, CGMH, was founded in 1976. It comprises a network of 10 hospital branches in Taiwan. We receive an average of 34,000 outpatient visits every day. Our hospital network contains a total of 11,311 beds. We receive an average of 18,000 surgical patients every year. It's listed as one of the largest hospitals with the most comprehensive facilities and services and top business performance in Eastern Asia. Chang Memorial Hospital established the Center of Comprehensive Sports Medicine, which comprises specialists in the fields of orthopedic surgery, rehabilitation, Chinese medicine, athletic training, sports nutrition, and sports psychology. Since 2014, we have continuously been enlisted as the national medical sports team and assist athletes competing in large sports events, including the Universiade, Asian Games, and Olympics. To date, we have received 23 gold, 25 silver, and 36 bronze medals, and particular attention has been given to promoting middle and high school sports training and health education. A cumulative total of 3,352 athletes have been treated to date. Awarded Sports Development Gold Award for 7 consecutive years, 2015 to 2021.
Orthopedic Department of Chang Memorial Hospital is a ranking top 1 training hospital in Taiwan, even top in the world. Many foreign fellows had finished the training program under our teaching. Our Center of Comprehensive Sports Medicine has many renowned arthroscope surgeons in the field of sports injury for each joint. We also have the largest surgical volume in sports injury. There are more than 500 cases of a major shoulder and knee operation per year, and more than 100 cases for ankles. For my specialty in hip arthroscopy, every athlete, like athlete, is diagnosed with a detailed examination using an advanced CT arthrogram. Only 2 or 3 titanium wounds are created, and the athlete is able to go home with 2 days after the operation. The athlete can return to complete sport 3 months after hip arthroscopy.
在我开刀之后，詹医师都会不定时的就是传讯息跟我说，哎，还好嘛，就是都有在关心我，就算我人在高雄，就是很谢谢长庚医疗团队这样子的付出，从头到尾都很有耐心的陪伴我、支持我。最后我还是很相信詹医师，然后也很谢谢他，让我现在不仅走路都很顺，甚至连比赛啊、训练那些高强度，我都有办法应付得了。
Most shoulder and knee problems can be diagnosed and given the optimal treatment by our specialist. We provide from conventional to avant-garde surgical treatments for all shoulder and knee lesions, for professional, semi-professional athletes, and weekend warriors. For example, basketball lovers often suffer from anterior cruciate ligament tears. We have the best image modalities like an MRI to see clearly what's wrong inside the joint. Not only the 2 bundles of the cruciate ligament will be reconstructed to its anatomical position, we also augment it with an anterolateral ligament as well as an internal brace, providing extra stability to allow our patient to go back to court as soon as possible. This method provides perfect anterior posterior knee stability and rotational control. The patient regains range of motion in 6 weeks and returns back to sports in 3 months.
Minimal invasive procedures by arthroscopic techniques became the mainstay during the past decade. Arthroscopic surgeries in treating shoulder sports injuries such as labral lesions, instability, and rotator cuff tears are in the majority of our daily practice. We have also treated more than 100 patients with massive and irreparable rotator cuff tears using superior capsular reconstruction with a high improvement rate. The valgus overload syndrome is a prevalent elbow syndrome that restricts the overhead athlete's performance. procedures like a neurolysis for ulnar nerve neuritis, arthroscopic debridement for posterior impingement, or ulnar collateral ligament reconstructions are commonly performed for throwing elbows. The return to sports rate is more than 85%. The overall surgical volume for the shoulder and the elbow is more than 500 cases per year. We have adopted the high-speed camera and motion capture system to analyze the potential motion risk factors, as most injuries result from improper skills and techniques.
Through comprehensive imaging study and our profession in sports medicine, we provide the best quality of care for sports injury with arthroscopic and minimal invasive surgery. We are designated to enhance the rapid recovery following any sports-related injury, especially in hip, knee, shoulder, elbow, and wrist joint. We are competent and honored to help athletes to return to field and achieve the best possibility in their career.
Protherapy is the treatment using regenerative ability of our body by injecting different kinds of materials such as hypertonic dextrose solution and the PRP to injured tissues. We might accelerate the healing and the regeneration process.
Ultrasound guidance is a method to increase the precision of injection. Under the view of meticulous real-time soft tissue ultrasonography, we can precisely inject medication such as anti-inflammatories or prolotherapeutic injected to target lesions. When a target lesion is deep inside the body or small in size, using ultrasound guidance can avoid harming nerves or vessels accidentally and improve the safety and precision of the treatment. Shockwave therapy can be widely used for tendon, ligament, or even bone injury. It is an effective yet non-invasive treatment for these common problems made by the athletes.
Besides medical treatment of injury, a plan for return to play should be thoroughly considered. After treating the athlete by our medical team with multidisciplinary specialists, the cohesion of treatment with training for return to the field also matters. We incorporate the physical therapy for restoring function after injury. Further, step-by-step sport-specific training instructions are given by elite athlete trainers, and the injured athlete can regain performance in their specific sports.
Traditional Chinese medicine helps the recovery of fatigue and muscle injury in athletes. Acupuncture relieves muscle tightness immediately. With different manipulation skills and being combined with transcutaneous electric stimulation, acupuncture can treat the injured tissue in different depths. For wounds area with prostheses or implants, acupuncture might not be suitable, whereas laser acupuncture can be the ideal treatment. Combined with low-level laser and the TCM meridian theory and also myofascial, trigger point, kinetic trend viewpoint, laser acupuncture brings muscle relaxation in seconds and alleviates pain through an anti-inflammation response in days. The athlete can feel their muscles being soothed right away, and the pain and the swelling much improved after a few days. Athlete can discuss with the TCM doctor about the treatment plan, including the time points and what they need before and after the competition. Studies have shown that acupuncture decreases the scar tissue formation and helps healing of wounds. The healing process is not an inflammation response, so it is lots more comfortable.
It's our honor that the Laser Acupuncture Treatment Center won the Certificate of Symbol of National Quality in 2020.
Cupping can relieve large areas of muscle tightness, which is suitable for swimming or track and field players. In Chang Memorial Hospital, we have various kinds of topical herbal patches designed for acute and chronic injuries or different kinds of wounds. The topical use of herbs combined with other treatments allows the swelling and pain to be relieved even faster.
針治療とレーザーの治療をしてもらってたんですけど、その痛みが減る度合いっていうのがすごく大きかったように感じました。合意数が本当に私のためにすごく力を尽くしてくれて、それは治療だけじゃなくて、その彼女の優しさ、親切心を含めて私のメンタルのケアもすごくサポートしてもらえたのが、ここの合意数だったり、チームスタッフの皆さんで本当に良かったなって、この人たちにすごく出会えて良かったなっていうのが私にとっては大きかったです。
The Center of Comprehensive Sports Medicine, Chang Memorial Hospital, has been established for 7 years. Over this time, it has accumulated an abundance of knowledge and experience. and consists of the top leaders from various specialties. Athletes can rest assured they are receiving care from a well-rounded, well-integrated medical team. CGMH wishes to continue expanding its care so that every sport athlete is reassured they can express their full potential to realize their self-worth and achieve their dreams. Via a gradual process beginning at the grassroots, our athletes' journey of growth is extended and broadened, diligently guarding the germination of a seed so that finally it blossoms into a strong, bright flower. On the journey of growth, Chang Gung is your guardian.